Social media is full of food hacks, but which ones actually help you lose weight? Let's test the viral trends. Welcome to Viral Food Hacks. I turn trending recipes into fat-burning meals. Fast, easy, and delicious.
This bread has went viral for a reason. High protein, low carb, and only 2 ingredients.
Dump a cup of cottage cheese and 2 eggs into a blender. Yes, that is it.
Blend until it's completely smooth. Add garlic powder or herbs if you want flavor.
Pour it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spread it out evenly. Bake at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes until it's golden brown and set.
Look at that. It peels right off and it's super flexible. It won't break.
Load it up with your favorite sandwich fillings. I love turkey and avocado.
The best sandwich hack ever. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials for more.
Craving dumplings but hate the dough? These rice paper dumplings are a game changer.
Mix ground chicken, carrots, and green onions. Simple, healthy protein filling.
Dip a sheet of rice paper in water. Just for a second. Don't soak it.
Add filling and fold it up like a little present. Double wrap if you want extra crunch.
Pan fry on medium heat. Listen to that sizzle. Flip when golden. The rice paper gets super crispy and chewy at the same time. Dip in chili oil or soy sauce. It's the perfect texture.
Better than takeout. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials for more viral hacks. A Snickers bar that is actually good for you? These viral Date Snickers are legit.
Start with medjool dates. Remove the pit. These are nature's caramel.
Stuff it with natural peanut butter, or almond butter if you prefer.
Add a few roasted peanuts for that classic Snickers crunch.
Dip the whole thing in melted dark chocolate. The darker, the better.
Top with flaky sea salt. Freeze for 20 minutes to set the shell.
Make a batch for the week. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials for more treats. Hate Brussels sprouts? You haven't tried smashing them yet. Crispy, cheesy perfection.
Boil your sprouts for 10 minutes until they are tender but not mushy.
Drain them, then use the bottom of a glass to smash them flat. This increases surface area.
Drizzle with olive oil, garlic powder, salt and pepper.
Cover them with grated Parmesan cheese. Don't be stingy.
Bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. The cheese creates a crispy crust. Dip in some light ranch. It tastes like chips, but it's a superfood.
Eat your veggies and love them. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Craving a burger but on a diet? This Big Mac salad bowl has all the flavor for half the calories.
Brown some lean ground beef. Season with salt, pepper, and onion powder. Chop up iceberg lettuce, pickles, and onions. The pickles are key. Sauce, Greek yogurt, ketchup, mustard, and pickle juice. High-protein secret sauce.
Assemble the bowl. Lettuce, beef, cheese, and extra pickles.
Drizzle that sauce all over. This is where the magic happens.
It tastes exactly like the real thing, I swear.
Fast food taste, healthy waste. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
This is the easiest healthy dessert hack. Shaved fruit ice. No ice cream machine needed. Freeze your favorite fruits whole. Strawberries, peaches, or melon work best.
Use a microplane to grate the fruit. It turns into instant fluffy snow. Mix colors for a beautiful bowl. It melts in your mouth instantly. Top with a drizzle of condensed milk or honey for creaminess. Add some chopped nuts for crunch. Pistachios are my favorite. It's light, refreshing, and 100% natural fruit. Summer in a bowl. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials for more hacks.
Fresh bagels in 15 minutes? No yeast, no rising time, just magic.
Mix 1 cup of self-rising flour and 1 cup of Greek yogurt. That is the dough.
Knead it for a minute until it comes together. It's packed with protein from the yogurt.
Divide into 4 balls and poke a hole in the middle. Shape them like bagels.
Brush with egg wash and sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning.
Air fry at 350 for 10 minutes or bake at 375 for 25 minutes.
Crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside. Better than store-bought.
Breakfast game changed forever. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Bet you didn't know carrots could taste like sweet potato fries. Let's make carrot fries. Cut your carrots into fries. I use a crinkle cutter for extra crunch.
Toss with olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, and a little cornstarch. Cornstarch makes them crisp.
Spread them in your air fryer. Don't overcrowd or they will be soggy.
Air fry at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, shaking halfway through.
Toss with parsley and Parmesan while they are hot.
Dip in spicy mayo. Sweet, salty, and crispy. The perfect side dish. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials for more.
Bread with zero carbs? This is cloud bread. It's literally made of eggs and air.
Separate 3 eggs. We need the whites to be super clean.
Whip the whites with a pinch of cream of tartar until stiff peaks form.
Mix yolks with cream cheese, then gently fold into the whites. Don't deflate it. Spoon onto a baking sheet. They look like little clouds already.
Bake at 300 degrees for 30 minutes, low and slow.
Use it for sandwiches or burgers. It's light as a feather.
The ultimate keto hack. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials. Stop buying expensive ice cream bites. Make these blueberry yogurt bites instead.
Take a cup of fresh blueberries and mix with vanilla Greek yogurt. Stir until every berry is coated. You can use strawberries too. Spoon small clusters onto parchment paper. Keep them bite-sized.
Freeze for 1 hour until solid.
Dip the frozen clusters in melted chocolate. It hardens instantly.
Store them in the freezer for a guilt-free sweet snack. You will be obsessed. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.